Okay, so now I'm gonna resume Subway Surfers. Okay, the microphone better work now. Okay, whoa. You saw the trick. My microphone just wasn't working. Subway Surfers. I didn't do it there because it doesn't really matter. No one would really care. I'm not even that good at it, and look at me. Usually I would die there. That time I didn't. Yeah, this one's killed me. You see it happened. I only have 11 keys, but who really cares? Oh, I still have the boots that killed me. Magnet way better than boots. Yeah, I can't do it. Wait, what? Not using. Okay. Oh yeah, this was before I started recording. Okay. My high score is 1, 1, 3, 3, 5, 2, whatever. I have no internet, I guess. What do I have? What I have is the tops. All I have is what's on the top. Trixie, because I have to do the word of the week. This is my favorite. I have both of them. I'm trying to get this one, but guess what? I wasted. I could have gotten it, but I wasted my keys. Ninja, I really want this one. Gosh, only 15. How about this? 20. I want this one. Okay. Jake, I don't really need him. I used the black. Okay, so in, up. Last time I got glitched through it, you should have seen it. Does this make sense? I don't even see a reason I need these. Wait, what? All I did, oh, really, yeah. The eye for Trixie. Oh, what the? I waste. Yes. What the? Emotion. How was that floated? Probably because it just removes what killed you, probably. It's okay, it's alright. You're just gonna compromise. Skirt. Comment down below what you think my record should be if I'm not that good. And put down in the comments if you're better than me, which, yes, you are. Skirt! Oh, oops. I totally didn't just spend 4 coins and I had 9 left. Totally not. A flower. You can bring my flower. Skirt. Really. And the person that joined my Discord, sucks to be them. I don't have enough. I'm not even doing anything on it, so. Is she doing yoga while I be king? I don't, and I've never bought anything here. And should I run the marathon again? Today's the marathon. It's a Sunday. Happy morning Sunday. Straight onto a massive tablet. No phones for this. And skirt. I missed 2 things. What's your weapon in World War II? How screwed are you? I got a katana knife and chop your head off. No! You wish I have one. You wish. And you thought I have a bubble machine and that's it. That's all I'm gonna kill kids with. I'm joking. I'll put bubbles up their mouth. No, I'm not. It's a joke. I get very bored playing this game with one thumb. Even though my tablet's very heavy. Better be good. Boy, you didn't see me do a dumb decision. I promise. The killer shoes. Perfect. Exactly what I needed. What the? No fair. If you're on face reveal, or at least me wearing a mask and like showing you stuff, give me like 6 mil subs. At least 1,000. I want to get a small play button and show you guys my name and stuff, which I'm not. I wasted all my stuff. I have events, claim. It's probably up there, yes. You know what I could get right now? I have 3 flowers. So if I go to shop, no, offers, yes. Now I have 6. Oh, now I get it. Every time I pick up a flower, I get it. Oh, now I get it. That's cool. I thought all my flowers were gonna change. Let's do this again. Hey. I'm not doing it. Wee, jumpies. The broken things. Cursed. I'm gonna get a jetpack. You saw the coins up there? I'm getting a jetpack. For sure. Jetpack's on. Boom, 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 boom. Boom, boom. Yeah. I think I'm just showing off. Yeah, it's pretty cheap. Okay, let's see. Let's keep this family friendly. La 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 la. Is that family friendly? Yes, sir. Okay, let's do this again. Next thing you know, I'm gonna make a Fortnite video. At least my brother is. Okay. Let's do this again. Did you hear that Snapchat has this new thing? Let me get into Snapchat and show you this. They have the new thing. I'm not going to show you what this is. Snapchat. They have a new AI. If you want, you could see me. They have this new AI bot, which which could kill your mom. I'm joking. Let's keep his family friend. It is. No, it's not. Let me quickly pause this. I don't even know who these people